Good morning. If you are looking into taking the GED, let me give you some advice. First of all, I've been teaching GED for 12 years or so, and I've become pretty adept at the test. I've studied the test. They're very tight-lipped. The GED is a great company, by the way. It's very tight-lipped. Don't tell us a lot, but I've, through different connections and through studying the online practice tests over hundreds, couple hundred probably in over 12 years, you get to know the test and kind of even almost like the test writers, their psyches and their whims, almost like if you were a code breaker. Anyways, number one, the money right now in adult ed is huge. It's massive. This is to compare contrary-wise to 2009 when the market crashed, housing market crashed. There was virtually no money in adult ed, virtually none. My point is that now's the time to get your diploma or your GED. The money is everywhere. It's free. How do you do it? Wherever you live, all across the country, go to your local school district, call them, ask to speak to the adult ed office, and then get enrolled right away in the diploma or the GED. If you don't, my guess is funding in education is cyclical. It goes up and down like a roller coaster. Right now, I think we're at a peak, massive spending. It's going to go down. I don't want to say crash, but I think that's going to happen within a year or two. Now's the time to go. Generally, for most of you, I think a diploma will take between 1 and 2 years, depending on when you left high school. A GED could take you a couple weeks. It's 4 tests: math, science, social studies, reading, language arts. What's the difference? Well, the diploma, you take your time basically, and you take the classes, and or a lot of them are now independent study. You take the class, you take the courses, you finish at your own pace, more or less. In that respect, it's easier. The GED, is you take the test, and you can. There are workshops. Most districts will offer a free workshop. They're not very long. There's only so much you can learn. But anyways, the GED you take right away. So there's more pressure. The GED is a test. The diploma will have tests, but you have a teacher there to help you and so on and so forth. So it really depends. If you are pressed for time, and I've had students over the years, they take that test, they're gone in a month, they're done. Those that want to they want to rekindle that passion for learning, they want to be in a classroom, then probably the diploma is for them. A word about the difference between a diploma and a GED. Today, zero. There's no difference. Now, I'm old school. Yes, at one time, there was a difference. The GED was seen as a cop-out, if you will, and it's not. It's a hard test. And the idea is if you could pass that test, you've proven to the GED people that you know enough information from the high school level to move on to wherever you're going. And I'm going to say to you, look at the diploma or the GED as Sigourney Weaver's character looked at the alien in the movie Alien, 1979. USOB or whatever the words she used, and she attacked the thing and she slew that dragon, that alien. You too can slay that dragon or that alien, whether it's the diploma or the GED. Don't be afraid. And now's the time to do it. Don't wait. If you have any questions, you could, follow me and send me a message. No problem. And don't be afraid. Now's the time, guys. Now's the time. Go. By the way, if you hear this and you're in, you already have your diploma, your GED, whatever, and you're thinking about college, now's the time. Especially a junior college. They're flush with money. Don't waste your time. Don't delay. Don't waste any more time. Go to your local junior college or local college, community college. Get enrolled today. I don't think the money's going to last more than another year or so. Have a great day. I hope that helps.